In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swage Haas stainless cable railing components with the Crenshaw hand swager. We post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials here on our YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. A swaging tool is designed to permanently swage or crimp your tensioning and end stop fittings onto each end of your cable. The Crenshaw swager is going to be used for both the Revo and Axis cable rail fittings. You'll see on our website that the Crenshaw swager comes in both 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch size dies. These sizes directly correlate to the size cable rail fittings they're compatible to. So make sure to select the right swager for your system. Before we get into swaging, we'd like to go over a really cool feature of the Crenshaw swager, which is that it has interchangeable dies. So if you're a builder or a contractor, you can easily change out your dies for different size cable railing systems. With the Crenshaw swager, there's no need to switch swagers between projects. All you'll need to do is open the handles of the swager, grab a flathead screwdriver and rotate the load pins on each jaw until the retention pins align with the slot in the swager jaws. Slide out the pins and replace the dies with the set that you need. Then align the dies with the holes in the jaws, replace the load pins, and use a flathead screwdriver to turn the load pins until the retention pins fall into the retention pin indentation on the swager. And now you're ready to swage. So the technique that we're about to go over is going to be exactly the same for both Haas stainless Revo and Axis cable railing fittings, whether you're using 1/8 inch or 3/16. First, insert the cable into the swage cavity of the fitting. Make sure that the cable is seated all the way in the back of the swage cavity. Open the handles of your swager and place the fitting and cable between the dies of the swager. Every fitting has a designated swage area, and it's where you need to swage the fitting. The swage area is in between the opening of the swage cavity and the first indentation line on the fitting. Make sure to not swage outside of this area because doing so will lead to a bad swage. Once the fitting is properly aligned in the die, completely close the handles of the swager to make your first swage. Slightly open the jaws of the swager, rotate the fitting approximately 90 degrees, making sure the fitting stays within the swage area. Then close your handles again to make your final swage. The fitting and cable are now permanently joined and ready for installation. If you'd like to learn more about our Haas stainless Revo and Axis cable railing systems, then be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel. And if you have any questions about this video, drop us a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like. I'm Tyler with Haas Stainless. Thanks for watching.